Thank you for sharing, and subscribing. It's free for you, but it really helps out the channel. And today on Have a Knife Day, we're at the California Custom Knife Show here in Costa Mesa, California. It's 2026. We're at the booth of Arcane Design. Introduce yourself and show us what you brought to the show.
How's it going? I'm Israel with Arcane Design. Thank you so much for stopping by the show. We always love doing the California Custom Knife Show, so I'm really excited to bring some of our newest models and things that I'm pretty excited about. The thing I really want to kind of hone in on is our latest model known as the Abyss. The Abyss version 2 is a 3.5-inch Japanese Tonto compound ground Bowie. So there's a lot of things going on this blade that I'm really excited to kind of place out. In my opinion, it's my favorite frame lock that we've done for a while. The robustness in the hand, the size is perfect, and I really love how this blade is so utility driven, yet it's very aggressive. So I'm very stoked on the Abyss version 2s. Another thing that I really wanted to kind of show is our brand new Necronaut Tonto. This is the fixed blade version. This is a purple edition that we did with beautiful purple aluminum handles. This is a 4-inch blade in Magna Cut, an absolutely insane fixed blade that was designed to be pocketable, yet large enough to really handle anything that you need. And then also, just as a point out, this is its little brother, the original Necronaut V3, which is a 3.5-inch Tonto in a folding construction. Same compound grounds on the primary, a very aggressive yet robust American Tonto. I love designing in futurism and angles that are sharp yet are very comfortable in hand. So I'm really excited to show a lot of the things here to everybody who shows up. So.
And you also, looks like you got a Nuck.
We did design a Nuck earlier last year. We dropped in about October. This is the brass version. This is known as the Artifact. So the Artifact is a pretty substantial, well this one's pretty heavy because of the brass construction, but we're coming out with aluminum, titanium in the future this year. And this is a one-finger Nuck that I think is the most comfortable one that I've handled. That's because I designed it, but it took a number of years to try to figure out the perfect size to pull, the spacing between fingers, the amount of material from the finger to the back of the palm to ensure that there's security when you're holding it. And so this went through so many redesigns, and so I'm really excited for the final product of that one.
And just to let everybody see what you brought today, the show actually starts in a couple minutes. Let me ask you this.
Yeah.
Can you show us the sheath for this one?
For sure. The sheath is just a standard Kydex sheath. It comes with soft loops. Trying to figure out a type of carry profile that is perfect for what people want, so you can carry
side draw or
side
appendix
draw,
carry,
or you can do appendix carry, or you can remove this one, flip this over, and then you can have a vertical appendix carry with it. So
very good.
But I know a lot of people like different other carry options, and so these holes are universal. You can put any sort of appendix.
Well, thank you so much for sharing what you brought to the show today.
I appreciate it, man. Thanks for stopping by.
We're looking forward to seeing this table empty at the end of the show. Have a great show, and have a nice day.
Appreciate you guys.